Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FirstNet Central, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for FirstNet Central and press enter. Wait for the page to fully load. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the secure login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If necessary, check the box for Remember Me to save your login information. Review your credentials for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your FirstNet Central dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. If you encounter any issues logging in, look for the help or support link for assistance. Once logged in, you can access all the features available in FirstNet Central. Make sure to log out after your session for better security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.